Meet the Oukitel WP200 Pro, the rugged smartphone built to handle anything life throws at you. With a massive 22,000 mAh battery, you'll never worry about running out of power. Capture every moment with its 64 megapixels rear camera and stunning 32 megapixels front camera. Stay connected anywhere with 5G, dual SIM, and full GPS support. This phone isn't just tough, it's smart. Face ID, fingerprint recognition, NFC, and Android 13 make it easy to use and secure. With IP68, IP69K and MIL-STD 810H certification, it survives dust, water, and drops effortlessly. Don't wait. If you need a phone that's powerful, rugged, and reliable, the Oukitel WP200 Pro is the one to grab today.